Hi everyone, this is Aurora of Dawn to Dust Designs. Welcome back to my channel. So I want to share a story with you guys. Man, it's almost 9. I need to hurry up and wrap this up. Thank you so much for joining me again on my YouTube video. Well, a lot of you guys know that when you go to Starbucks and you buy a gift card, they give you this little envelope, right? So today I went to go buy a Starbucks card and they didn't have any. They ran out, so I was super upset and pissed off because they told me go to another Starbucks. So I did. I show up and they also tell me we ran out. According to them, they sold out because, or they ran out because of Mother's Day. So I was not gonna go to another Starbucks to try and have the same thing happen again. So what I ended up doing was they gave me a cup and I said, you know what, let's just create a easy DIY Starbucks gift idea, and I came up with this. So I honestly think this is way better than giving someone a gift card just like this. So if you want to learn how to make this, then I recommend you watch the tutorial. So I'm going to be gifting this to a friend for her birthday. I really hope she likes it. So moral of the story, everyone, is do not let anyone rain on your parade. Use your creativity and come up with something clever and make magic happen, just like this. For this project, we're going to use a Starbucks cup, a Starbucks gift card, cello wrap, a Starbucks paper bag, scissors, a bow set, some tape, a black Sharpie marker, and I had some extra Easter grass laying around. So the first thing we're going to do with this is we're going to cut this to make it like an envelope so we can put the card inside. So I'm just going to eyeball it and cut it straight across. Write the amount. What you want to do is put some of that Easter grass inside your cup, just like so. Put your card inside, and that's it, just so that there's some color inside. Close the lid. And now write the person's name, just like they do so at Starbucks. So now for the fun part, get your cellophane and unravel it. Grab your cup, put it in the center, and eyeball it just a tad bit. And then cut away. Probably around here. And cut straight across. Put your cup in the center. And then grab each corner, bring it to the center. What you want to do is cut a strip of ribbon. And wrap it around your gift. I think the tighter it is, the better, but it's up to you. I'm going to do a double knot. Grab your scissors. With your finger, hold it a little bit, and then do that. There you go. I'm gonna make my own. So there you have it, guys. I really hope you enjoyed this easy Starbucks DIY gift idea. Remember to subscribe to my channel and follow me on all of my social media platforms, which I'll be listing down below. The Spanish word of the day is café, which means coffee. Repeat with me, café.